For the past week, I've been working on a no-code app to fine-tune, evaluate, and deploy custom LLMs. And here's how far I've gotten. So I've got a data set of a bunch of tweets and questions and answers to those tweets, uploaded as a JSON lines file to my Supabase bucket. I've also got a bunch of database schemas ready to go. So now I'm going to run a script that will pull this data set and fine-tune Llama 3 on the dataset. So we've just loaded the dataset, and now we're kicking off the fine-tuning process. I've just set it to 10 steps for the sake of the demo. In production, it would be much longer. We would actually go through the full dataset instead of just 10 examples. We get a few statistics of how much memory was used on our GPU. And now we're uploading the model and saving the weights of the model we just trained so that we can use it later for inference. I'll just let this upload here for a second. Okay, great. Looks like we just finished uploading. So we've saved the model. And now we're actually going to send a request back to our server to deploy this model so it's accessible from the internet. So let's see if that worked. So we've deployed the model, and it's going to take a few minutes to actually spin up the pod that will host the model. So we can see the model we created. It should be this last one right here. Okay, our model's been deployed. I'm going to take the model name here that's just been deployed, and I'm going to go to my website and do /chat/that model name. And that loads up this UI here. And so this is a Q&A task type. That's the data set we trained it on. So I'm going to grab a tweet from buildspace, from the buildspace Twitter, and I'm going to ask a question about it. So I grabbed the anthem that buildspace released. So I'm going to say, who is this anthem for? We'll hit submit. It's going to call the LLM. And boom, there you go. Anthems for Dreamers. Thanks.